Hey everybody, welcome back to High School Part 3. As you grow up, your style changes. That comes along with your room, and your personality often fits in with your style. For instance, this pink room, which also means I'm in a pink sweater and pink eyeshadow right now, because it all matches my personality and how I feel. But here's the thing, a lot of these things in my room come along with my past, and I'm not saying my past is bad, I'm just saying that I think it's time to let go of the past, because I'm having a lot of dreams lately of confronting people from my old school and fighting them, not physically, just like verbally fighting them. Yeah, and I always win the fights, but when I wake up I remember, oh, I didn't win. So technically I've been losing. I think that comes around with me walking in my room and literally singing my past. I've decided, she's got a vacuum now, out of all the time. Was I? Right. I've decided that I'm going to go through my room and see, what do I have to get rid of? What am I giving away? What am I keeping in a box downstairs where I can't see it? And what am I adding to my room? Because this is all my past. And I don't know what else to say. So a lot of people usually have something hanging on their door. I have my name. My friend made this for me and it's so nice. So of course I have that. What do you think of my nails? So then if we turn immediately to the left, we have here my vanity where I do all my makeup videos. Hi. So it's pretty messed up. I've got the James Charles palette, by the way. It does not deserve to be in all this crap. But it's really messed up because I had to do some makeup stuff for Easter and, you know what the life is, right? Okay, so it's not that bad, right? We have the decoration items is this really nice drawer thing I got that I can't give away. It's so nice, but I'll have to see. I'll have to see how that goes. We have this nice statue. I got this for my birthday. It's like a jewelry hanger and it's really pretty. Then we have my makeup segment thing with my Mimco purse, like as decoration in the back because I didn't know where to put it because I never use purses. Then we have my, side drawer. Yeah, what? No. Now, this, you may recognize this from my intro where I film the new videos possible thing. Yeah. Here, kind of in the middle where it's very plain is all my art stuff. Why is this camera so bad? What? Anyway, this is all my art stuff, mask. Yeah, that was like 2 weeks ago. The mask I had to finish, I finished it. Art thing. Oh, she just has to vacuum now. Sheesh, y'all. You'll notice I have tape on my thing, which is what? No. Then this is where I put my camera to film. And inside, because it's like a glass door, you kind of get like a little cutie thing, but we're going to have to change that because it doesn't look that good. We have my desk, and my desk is my favorite part of my room. Wait. IKEA, it's a huge desk. I love it. Shelf, we have like, it's literally a decoration shelf. Like, I forced my parents to get a shelf so I could put like decoration things on it. And then we have the poster wall, which is iconic, but I think I'm going to get rid of it because, there are other places I could put art besides like this. And some of the posters are like really, really old. We have alarm clock decoration items on top of my, what are they, shelves? I don't know. Books that I need to go through. And this is basically today going through these two areas. Memories that I need to throw away. This is my old craft desk where outside is there. See all the paint, that's where I craft. Before I had to craft in here. So, of course, there are like a whole bunch of things that I never use because I'm always outside instead of here. And then we have memories that I need to put downstairs. And we have a bunch of like coconut oil, rubbing oils just for like crafting. I'm going to start off with this shelf and going through those drawers. So this is what's happening right now. I sat down and I didn't show you before pick. Maybe I can find one, I don't know. But what I did, don't mind that. So what I did was I went to this shelf first and I took this tray off and this thing off and all of that stuff off, and I went through everything. So then I cleared out an entire drawer because I had literally nothing in it. So I cleared that out, and then what I did was I looked through the purple box. That's just yarn and knitting stuff that I was probably never going to use, but I'm going to keep it anyway because like yarn is like $2 a roll. I'm not throwing that out. In here now is like a bunch of extra craft stuff that, you know, coconut oil, like stuff that, you know, I feel like I'm going to use, but I kind of want to keep it hidden from society, you know. Then this pile is the pile of books I'm keeping in my room. This pile is going downstairs. That is going in the trash, that whole pile over there. That's going away. That's going to stay there because I might need it. And this is going to be donating, and that's just there because I'm lazy. And this is going to be going downstairs. So I've got to go bring all of this downstairs and hope that it's going to fit somewhere. So enjoy my struggling for me to get this downstairs. So, yeah, my art journal that I used. Some paintings. That's a very nice art piece. Actually, I might hang it up. That's really nice. Probably not. Yeah. And that's pretty much everything that's in here. And it made me really angry going through it. Because one of them is from my best friend. And she had to do my peer assessment. She had to write a bad thing and a good thing and give me a grade. She wrote my bad thing. And then she just didn't write anything else. And I was like, bitch. But here's the thing. And you could deny that, oh, it wasn't her, maybe you have a mismemory. No, it has her name on it. Like, she signed it. Who does that? Anyway, let's find somewhere to put this. Oop, you're going up here now. I have to find another place to put another box. It's going to be so stressful. Yeet. We have it up. That's the box right there. And that's my other memory box that has, like, a bunch of shit in it. That I probably throw this whole box away and never miss any of it. And maybe I'll do that one day, I don't know. But I need to bring another box downstairs that has a whole bunch of books. Hey, this box now, which is actually books, so it's going to be heavy. And this is probably going to fall off. Oh, that's actually not that heavy. Bada bing, bada boom. Just found somewhere and I put it in there. Mum can question it later. It's going to be staying in there, though. Vacuum cleaner that I need to clean my room with because there's toothpaste from my skincare video that I haven't filmed yet. Yeet, yeet. That needs to get in the bin. Now, I can't. That's going to fucking piss me off. That's attracting spiders already. So, let's get that in the bin. 1 second. 2 seconds. 1 second. Fucking. Done. Okay, let's go through those drawers now. Whew. Now, I need to kind of redecorate and, like, take down all the decorations and, you know, work out what I'm keeping, what I'm not. That's going to be tomorrow, though, because if I do that today, I'm probably going to cut into, like, I haven't had lunch yet. I'm going to cut into dinner time, and I haven't had lunch, and I still need to film another video. So, day one is done. Hey everyone, you may notice I'm in the same shirt as another video, but we're not going to talk about that. I've got to clean my room. Yep. So, basically yesterday we went through cleaning all of the gear. We went through the drawers, the trays and everything. And you know what? We ended up with some good results. You know, we really skimmed down on everything. There was so much rubbish. It was disgusting. But now it comes down to the decor and like how everything is. So I'm going to take down everything that I don't want in my room and put that in a pile, and then I'm going to just like work that out. So basically what I'm thinking is that I've got a bunch of posters on my wall behind me, and like they're kind of falling down, they're old and they don't really go with me anymore. So I'm going to say goodbye to them, and I think I'm just going to take them all down and just say goodbye, man, because I just don't like them anymore. So I guess we're going to do a compilation of that, and we're going to do a little bit on my desk because I don't know what I'm doing with my desk right now. And then after that, we're gonna go through my shoes because I couldn't do that because I had no shoes, but we just got shoes from Target, so that's great. And then after that, I think I will be almost done with my room. And then finally tomorrow, I'm going to like buy any pieces I need to get, you know, really just finish the whole room off, buy any pieces, and I'm going to give you guys a final reveal. Yeah, okay, enjoy this compilation.
Honestly, I think I'm gonna text him right now. No! No! What, are you kidding me, man? We had so much fun. Well, you gotta wait at least 2 days or you're gonna look desperate. Okay. Our best is not. Oh, it's him.
So it's been like a week since I was filming and editing and cleaning. And a lot's changed since then. My mindset's really changed on how I view high school and I guess my room and my life and my social life. But I've got to finish this video. So here's a full review of my room now. So before I said everyone has to like hang on their door, this won't actually ever leave because I don't know, it just feels so much a part of me. I don't really want to take it down. But then when you turn to the left, I have actually changed my dressing table so much. Like before it was really crowded with like stuff on it, but now I was like, no, I want to change it. I want to keep it very simple, very plain. And looking at it, it's so like weird. It feels like I'm trying to move in, but I haven't moved in yet. And you know what? I kind of like it like this. It's very nice and plain and simple, and you know, it's nice. The drawers haven't changed, so I'm not going to bother showing you them. They're still so messy. But I did put a lot more stuff in my drawers, my makeup drawer specifically, because my vanity, you know. Yeah, my bedside table hasn't changed besides the fact I got so much more stuff on it. I need to put it away, and yeah, don't mind all this. And then my bed hasn't changed whatsoever. I kept it exactly the same because, I don't know, this just really matches the carpet and it all looks good, but the carpet is disgusting. My desk changed a lot. I took rid of the posters, which is kind of iconic because, like, I've had those posters since I was, like, literally 8 years old and filming videos in my room that never went up. Yeah, so we can see we've changed this area a bit by moving some stuff around. Like I put my lamp on my desk finally, and now I have room on my desk, and it's so nice to have room on my desk because I feel like I've never got any room. That's still staying there. I really want to get better pillows for it though. Here, it's changed out a lot because what I've done is I put the shelf down there and I've moved all around. And then same up here, I've moved it all around. It's still not official. I might change some stuff, but so far, so good. Pretty much my whole room redone. Oh shit. That's my whole room redone, and that's what I've done. And you know what? I actually really like the way I've done up my room. Oh, wait, here. Up here, we've also changed now. I really like the way I've redone my room and how I've, like, switched everything around and made it feel a little bit more personal because a lot of things I was keeping up there because I wanted them up there. I felt like they were my personality. But now it's all what I want in my room. It's all there because I like it. Yeah. So that's the end of this video. Sorry for the really lame, really kind of uncut video, but I've got some better ones coming, I swear. Okay, love you guys so much. Bye-bye.